so I got grape juice, some Mio, and a lot of salt.
I got some Mio, some apple carrot juice, and some honey.
A lot.
Well, I got Tabasco sauce, some of this tea stuff, and a bunch of syrup.
This is tea.
A bunch of syrup. And I have the second to the biggest glass. Look at this. He's got the smallest glass and has the best items.
I have the biggest glass, and it's got some.
Oh, and by the way, this is the smoothie challenge. Probably was a dumb idea. I shouldn't have told him about it.
Yeah, you're retarded.
Alright, so.
Oh my god. He's just going. Oh.
It's so thick with honey. Alright,
Was that good?
I'm about to.
No.
I'm going for it.
Hey Tom, was that good?
I think we're having a hard time.
There is so much salt. Okay, so you're done. Now your turn.
Why? Try to do that.
Man.
Try it.
Just a video. Try just a video.
Plug your nose.
Tell me how worse it is than yours.
That's too much salt. Okay, go. Go.
Might have a heart.
Go. Go.
I can smell the freaking Tabasco sauce.
Plug your nose.
That doesn't help none.
Screw it, man.
Just-
I'm not gonna take a big drink.
Okay.
I'm not.
Thomas didn't either.
Yeah, we gotta see it in your mouth though, because I spit a lot out. I had a lot.
Just go. You're such a baby.
I'm glad I made syrup. I hate syrup. I would have threw up.
It's sugar free too.
Hey, we tried a little tiny this time.
What?
We tried a little tiny.
No, Ronnie spit up in it.
Way worse than yours, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see it. Put it in your mouth. Swallow. Let's see you swallow. Let's see you swallow. Let's see you swallow. Good work, son.
How was that?